It's not about how fast you start, it is about how long you keep going. This mindset transformed my journey from earning $24,000 a year after college while living with my parents to building 6 income streams alongside my full-time job as a software engineer in my late 20s, all while starting and raising a young family. After graduating from college in the US, I moved back to my home country in Latin America. Full of dreams and ideas, I basically launched an educational startup teaching robotics, electronics, and programming. But like many early entrepreneurs, I underestimated what it takes to turn passion into profit. I had no money and my friends were practically working for free, and we ran out of steam and the startup failed. I decided to pivot. I applied to my dream graduate school at MIT. I earned a master's degree for free and try another startup again, this time with a Web3 e-commerce startup. Unfortunately, that venture didn't take off either, as we could not find funding to grow. By 28, I was basically running out of options. After months of applying for jobs and facing rejection after rejection, I finally leaned on my network. Thanks to a few referrals, I landed interviews and ultimately chose a career in software engineering. That job gave me stability, but I yearned for more than a steady paycheck. I had always been drawn to exploring new opportunities and dreamed of giving my family the freedom to travel and create lasting memories together. With aging parents and grandparents in different countries and young children eager to explore the world, I knew I needed to build additional income streams to support the lifestyle we desired. The wake-up call came during my pregnancy. A close friend who had recently purchased a house and a car lost their job, forcing them to basically sell their home. This personal experience, combined with my desire to create a lasting family memories through travel, made me realize I needed more than just my regular paycheck. I needed a solid backup plan that could provide both security and freedom. So around that time, I discovered a way to combine travel hacking with a side hustle through Amazon FBA. The idea was simple. I could use my credit cards to buy discounted products from retail stores, earning travel points while doing so, and then I could resell these items on Amazon for about a 40% return on investment. I was so committed to this venture that I literally dropped off my first box of products at UPS for Amazon fulfillment while in early labor. Though I took time off to recover after giving birth and manage postpartum challenges, I eventually returned to scale the business. The results exceeded my expectations, so by the end of the first year of operation, the business had generated over $200K in revenue and earned me over $1 million in credit card travel points, which funded my dream of taking my entire family to Europe for the first time. This experience opened my eyes to what was possible. I began focusing on building multiple income streams to protect my family's financial future and create the freedom to live life on our terms. Along the way, I'm documenting every step and each side hustle that I'm trying, tracking what works and what doesn't, to share my journey as I grow and learn. Here's what I've built so far in 2024. Each stream started small but has grown into a crucial part of my financial security. Number 1, rental property. My first income stream is rental property. Our first property was a house hack, a strategy where we bought a house to live in, but we also rented out the extra rooms to help pay the mortgage. We purchased this 100-year-old fixer-upper during the pandemic, and I spent months renovating it myself by watching YouTube tutorial. This included basically tearing down all the carpets because it was nasty, installing luxury vinyl flooring, painting all the interior walls, and buying new appliances to make it rental ready. My husband and I live in one room and we rented out the other rooms, which cover a significant portion of our living expenses. This setup was a game changer for us financially. When we decided to start a family family, we didn't want roommates anymore. So we converted the property into a full rental and we bought a second home. My husband's military benefits, including a 0% down payment and the record low interest rate during the pandemic, made this possible. Now, our rental property provides steady income while appreciating in value over time. It's not completely hands-off, but it is one of the most reliable streams we have. Income stream number 2 is passive stock and crypto investing. My journey into investing began during my freshman year of college when a group of friends sparked my interest in the stock market. With careful research and planning, I opened my first brokerage account and began strategically investing my spare money into companies I somewhat understood. Taking a long-term approach, I maintained a disciplined buy and hold strategy throughout my college years, resisting the temptation to engage in short-term trading. Building on my stock market experience, I ventured into cryptocurrency during my Harvard internship in 2014, when Bitcoin was trading at $600 per coin and still unfamiliar to most investors. I made my first $10 investment through a Bitcoin ATM in Harvard Square. What started as a simple curiosity about this emerging technology eventually grew into a significant part of my investment portfolio. This early investment experiences taught me valuable lessons about the power of starting small and staying committed to a long-term strategy. While this has become one of my most hands-off income streams, it required developing substantial financial knowledge and maintaining emotional discipline during market fluctuations, and also cultivating the patience to let investment grow over time. The journey from those initial small investments to a significant portfolio reinforced my belief in the importance of early financial education and consistent investing habits. Every year, I max out my retirement accounts, including my Roth IRA, 401k, and SEP IRA, and make automatic deposits into my individual brokerage account. I also invest a small amount in crypto each month, keeping it under 5% of my overall income, since it is a more volatile asset. Now, income stream number 3 is e-commerce and reselling. What started as a clever way to earn travel points through my Amazon FBA business turned into an unexpected gold mine. By strategically sourcing products and reselling them on Amazon, I discovered a powerful income stream that transformed our family's lifestyle. Despite the challenges of juggling inventory management and operations while adapting to motherhood, the rewards were incredible. This venture not only generated substantial profit, but also funded our dream family trips to Europe, making luxury travel accessible through smart point hacking. Building on this success, I expanded into eBay and Amazon Marketplace to diversify my e-commerce portfolio. This confidence and knowledge gained from these platforms inspired me to basically venture into new territories like dropshipping and Etsy print on demand, constantly evolving my online business presence. Income stream number 4 is affiliate marketing. In June 2024, I started experimenting with affiliate marketing. This income stream involves sharing neutral opinions about products that my friends and I use. And I didn't need any following. Through the Amazon Influencer Program, which I cover in another video, I earn commission whenever someone watches my video review of a product they are purchasing. It is an effective way to monetize recommendations, and while it is still growing, it has already become a valuable income stream. Even in months where I don't post anything or any video review, I still earn over $600 a month. Once you build a catalog of video reviews, it becomes truly passive income. Additionally, I participate in affiliate marketing by partnering with companies whose product I regularly use and trust in my business and personal life. By joining their affiliate programs, I earn a commission rate ranging from 5% to 40% on qualified sales when people purchase through my unique referral links. So this involves carefully selecting products that align with my values and authentically sharing my experiences with them. I only recommend items I've personally tested and found valuable, maintaining transparency with my audience about the affiliate relationship. Income stream number 5 that I built this year is YouTube AdSense. Creating content on YouTube has been a passion project for years. I've been producing videos since 2009, starting in high school. After many years of inconsistent uploads across different channels. I started ApprenticeDiary in 2016 to document my journey. Though I plan to post regularly, I didn't upload anything until late 2021 during the pandemic and remained inconsistent afterward. Everything changed in 2024 when one of my side hustle videos went viral, exploding to 1.5 million views. This breakthrough transformed my channel. My subscriber count basically went from being stuck at 800 for nearly a year, growing to 30,000 within just 90 days. This significant achievement granted me access to YouTube Partner Program, marking the beginning of my journey into earning ad revenue for my content creation. While maintaining and growing this income stream demands more hands-on effort compared to my other ventures, including regular content creation, audience engagement, and staying current with platform changes, I'm captivated by its extraordinary potential. The ability to reach and impact a global audience while generating income has motivated me to fully dedicate myself to expanding this channel over the next year. I have plans to increase both the quality and frequency of my content. My income stream number 6 is brand deals. As my YouTube channel has grown, I've had the opportunity to form meaningful partnerships with brands through sponsorships. These carefully curated collaborations allow me to showcase products and services that align perfectly with my channel's mission and also values, while simultaneously developing another revenue stream. I focus primarily on partnering with brands that offer practical tools and resources for aspiring entrepreneurs looking to start their own side hustles. I aim to be more thoughtful with brand partnerships and carefully considering how each opportunity could benefit my audience. While some lucrative offers have come my way, I prefer to focus on collaboration that align naturally with the content that I create. This means my sponsorship income may be smaller than it could be, but I believe building genuine connections with my community is much more meaningful in the long run. I'm always exploring new ways to grow my business, and right now I'm working on 3 exciting projects: starting an AI agency to help small businesses boost their sales, creating my own product line, and investing in land. I'm also looking into new markets and sustainable business idea. While these projects are not making money yet, I'm carefully testing and researching each one of them. Every new venture teaches me something valuable about running a business. Even though these are just starting out, I'm excited to see how they grow over time. Building multiple income streams has taught me a few key lessons. Number 1 is to start small. You don't need a big investment to start. Some of my most successful ventures began with just a few dollars. Number 2 is to be patient. Income streams take time to grow. Focus on the progress, not perfection. Lesson number 3 is to diversify. Don't rely on one source of income. Multiple streams give you stability and options. Lesson number 4 is to learn constantly. Every new venture requires a lot of learning, and embracing the process, even if it's challenging, is very rewarding. My goal for the next year is to grow my existing streams and turn my current experiment into profitable ventures. I want to continue building a life where my family has the freedom to travel, explore, and live without financial stress. If you're thinking about starting your own income streams, my advice is simple: just start. Take that first step, even if it seems scary. The hardest part is beginning, but once you do, you will naturally learn and grow along the way. I'm documenting my journey and sharing everything on my website, ApprenticeDiary.com. Join my newsletter to follow along. As a special milestone celebration, I'll be offering 5 free 1-hour video calls once we reach 50,000 YouTube subscribers, so stay tuned. We're pretty close. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.